Understanding file deletion in Windows.
When you delete a file in Windows, it goes to the recycle bin. But once you empty the recycle bin, the file isn't truly erased. It's marked as deleted, and the space it occupied is available for new data. This means there's a chance to recover the file using special software before that space is overwritten.
Immediate steps after accidental deletion.
If you've just emptied your recycle bin and need to recover files, stop using your computer as much as possible. Avoid saving new files or installing programs. This helps prevent new data from overwriting the files you want to recover, greatly improving your chances of successful recovery.
Choosing reliable file recovery software.
File recovery tools like recuva, easeus Data Recovery Wizard, and Disk Drill are popular for Windows. Download the software to a different drive than the one you're recovering files from. Using trusted, well-reviewed programs increases the safety and success of the recovery process.
Recovering your files step by step.
Install and launch the recovery software. Select the drive where the missing files were located. Start the scan for deleted files. When the scan is complete, review the list of recoverable files. Select the ones you need and save them to a different drive or external storage to avoid overwriting anything.
Preventing data loss in the future.
To avoid future stress, regularly back up important files using cloud storage or an external hard drive. Double-check files before emptying the recycle bin. Consider enabling Windows File History or System Restore to provide more options for recovering lost data.